Let me start with this Burago. And this one doesn't have anything perforated here. Precise. Look at that. Look at that front grille. Incredibly detailed. I like it so much. It's off very gently. Okay. I will put it a little bit. Now shake it and okay. That's it. Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. Today it will be my pleasure to unbox and review and introduce and I don't know what else this beautiful 1:43 scale model of Tatra. And actually this one was made in the Czech Republic by a company which is called Kaden, or Kaden. Hard to really say how to pronounce it in English. Probably if you ask somebody in the US, they will pronounce it differently, but that's not the point today. I think we already know that this is a very nice truck and quite huge. It's in 1:43, as I said, and I also have this one which I previously introduced. It's a Jaguar XFR. I always confuse it with other names. But here today, okay, so it's a nice box with this transparent window here and also some other fancy stuff. It has this Tatra logo or emblem here, 1:43, and then of course, as always, and I keep repeating that, it's not suitable for anyone under 14 years old. So now, if you are under 14 and if you are watching my channel, please be careful. Don't mess up with this model, otherwise you could get harm. Okay, now I think I can already, maybe let's also introduce this manufacturer here. So they were established in 1950, and as you can see, they are really located somewhere in the Czech Republic, and this is the website and so on and so on. All right, so now I only think it's time to unbox it, and for that purpose I have my favorite tool here. I will just slightly cut the tape here, also here on the other side, and then hopefully we'll be able to enter this box and already see some of the greatest things in diecast industry. Okay, good. So I don't really know how to. Oh, this is the way. Okay, so probably you don't see everything. Maybe yes, maybe not. Hopefully with this camera here. Okay, so how to proceed here and not to damage anything. Good. So maybe I will remove this, and then what's the next step, guys? The next steps should be take it out completely, probably. Oh. Okay, so this is what I did now. It's not that easy, but I will manage eventually. Okay, so a lot of stuff. Let me put it here. And there was actually a small bag like this with some additional details. Okay, so good. It's quite heavy, quite huge, 1:43 scale. And as I said, I will need to assemble it because we have here also the side mirrors and also some more additional things that you need to attach. Yeah, look at that. So how many we have. And I also purchased this one. Yeah, so if you don't know what it is, it's actually the load, some stones, and you can actually put it here, and it fits perfectly. It was just not that cheap. This additional thing was like $10, and it's actually just a styrofoam here, one piece of wood here, and then imitation of what's actually gravel, or how do you call it, stone, limestone, I'm not even sure. So this is the stone used for roads just under the asphalt. Okay, so let me put it back. So this is how it looks like. So very nice. It's actually beautiful. compared to this small car, it's really, really huge. Oh, the wheels. It actually has so many wheels, like in 4 rows. Yeah, so, but we will go to that a little bit later. So now that was just the first look how to perceive it. Yeah, it's so huge. And now let me go to the second camera here, and I will do some detailed view for this one. Oh, maybe first I should assemble it. I'm not sure, because I will need more time, and I'm already quite curious about this model. So let me actually start here in the front. Yeah, so you see the Tatra logo, and oh, let me check. Let me take this one. Tatra logo here. The license plate. There is no license plate, but you can place it here. You have the front lights. Then here we have something like turn number one. Turn number one. What it means, I'm not sure. Then 3 wipers, which is typical for those big trucks. And inside you have actually 2 seats, one for the driver, one for the passenger, nothing in between, nothing in the middle. So it's only for 2. Okay. Then on the side, you have nice footstep here with a different color. Everything is actually metal, yeah, so no plastic, very nice here. The turning indicator and the dots here, they are actually there to so that you can stick in it the side mirrors and all the details. So I will do it later. And then you have here the exhaust. No, it's actually on the other side. This is not the exhaust. Yeah, and here, look at it, how this is perforated. Very nice piece, very detailed with the exhaust here and some additional gas tank here. Very nice, yeah, Tatra. Okay, so good. Now, this whole thing is moving a little bit because there is a suspension mechanism. So look at that, how this is moving. And maybe now it's time that I also remove the load, the cargo from it. So let me just take it gently. Okay. Then you really see here all these mechanisms. Yeah, it can turn the wheels. Oh, look at that. How can we turn the wheels? Like this. Yeah, it's independent turning. Actually, if you turn one wheel, the other side is not turning as well. And in the back, of course, you can't turn it. You can just spin it, and that's basically it. But the suspension imitation is there as well. Yeah, so very nice. Let me now try to really do something with the suspension. So in the back, it's static, sturdy, nothing can be done. In the front as well, but as I said, you can somehow turn the wheels, and actually the front wheels are turning the second as well, at least a little bit. Yeah, so you can actually do some nice stuff with that, turn the whole truck, which is okay. Then the cargo area, and here you can do this actually. Oh, look at this mechanism, how this is working here. Yeah, so once again I will pull it down. It will stop in any position, which is good. There is a spare tire here. Yeah, you can stop it here, there, anywhere. Very nice. And now in the back, it says Tatra here, maximum speed 85 kilometers per hour, and then we have some reflection stickers, and again very detailed rear lights. I quite like it. Yeah, so very nice, very detailed, and I must admit I love this. It's also very heavy, so it's actually real metal. I will put back this because I love it when it's inside. Actually, here you see, this is another thing what you can do, up to here and then back. Yeah, and maybe once again I will just place it here, and then this small car just next to it, so that you really see the difference. Yeah? So look at that. Wow, nice. And actually now I will do more 1 to 43 reviews, and now I somehow have this passion for this scale. I am also building this road, yeah, so it's now really in the beginning, but I will do more stuff. And as you can see, yeah, this is very nice. So guys, thank you really for watching this, yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this new model. I love it too. Now I will just try to finalize also this base, this diorama. When I'm successful, I will also do more unboxing. Oh, look at this camera, it's also very nice, yeah. I will do more unboxing of 1:43 scale. This is one of the newest video I have now, and of course I will take pictures of them on this nice diorama. Yeah, so more to come. Please stay focused. This is one of the maybe I should also mention that I decided to review 1:43 scale because in 1:18 scale there are no trucks like that, no buses, no huge buses, nothing like that. Yeah? So you really need to go to a smaller scale, and then there are plenty of options and you can basically collect anything you want. Okay, so probably the selection there is even higher. Yeah, so good. I think that's it now, only to the final rating. So now I will do the final rating of this new Tatra 815 8-wheeler, and see you next time. Bye bye.